Alright, what's up guys? Today's lesson is going to be on the chemical element thulium, also known as fantasticness in elemental form. There's a picture of it right there. Oh, wait, pencil? Right there. So we're going to go down to our periodic table of elements. Thulium is actually a lanthanoid, so we're going to go down to this pink area to Tm thulium, atomic number 69, which you know what that means. 69 protons and 69 electrons. It also has an atomic weight of 169 AMU, which means that it has 100 neutrons in its most stable form. So the history of thulium. Thulium was discovered by this guy, Per Theodor Cleve. I'm just going to write Cleve here at the bottom. Cleve. In 1879, using a technique which was invented by this guy, whose name is Carl. And he's basically amazing. So that's Carl, and here's Cleve. He's got all kinds of funky hairdo going on here. Not sure what's up with this. And he discovered thulium. He was also a pirate. Yeah, and he discovered thulium. What he was doing was he was trying to remove all the contaminants of this substance that he had, which was called erbia. Erbia. And this was ER2O3. So, as he was removing the contaminants of this erbia, he found two materials, a green material and a brown material. The brown material, he knew what it was holmium. The green material, he did not know what it was, so he named it thulia. Not just that he didn't know what it was, but that it had never been discovered before. So he named it thulia after another name for Scandinavia, which was Thule. And this thulia ended up actually being an oxide of thulium, which that's where thulium was discovered. Now today we know that thulium is present in here. This is actually monazite. I don't know why that site calls it monazite, but thulium is present in these mineral deposits known as monazite. But even in these deposits, it's very rare. It's only found in areas such as southern China. That's one place where it's most common, and even there, the thulium concentration, not concentration, but like percent abundance there is 0.5%. And that's not half, that's less than 1% thulium here. And that's the least abundant, tied with lutetium for rarity. Thulium and lutetium are both 0.5% abundance there, and they're very rare. Now, due to this rarity, the rarity causes a very steep price increase when you're looking to buy thulium. And I've set up a little demo to show you just how expensive and costly thulium is. So here we have a 64 pack of Crayola crayons with a built-in sharpener for $13. This is an actual legitimate sale. $13 equals 64 crayons. I'm just going to put cray. So 64 cray equals $13. That means that one cray equals 13 divided by 64, which is 0.2, so $0.2. Now, 10 grams of thulium, we're just going to get rid of that, 10 grams of thulium equals $700. That's $700. Excuse my computer writing here. 10 grams equals $700. Now, in crayons, 10 grams is worth $700 divided by 0.2, which is actually 3,500, not dollars, crayons. 3,500 crayons is 10 grams of thulium. That just goes to show you how people value thulium. Now, why is thulium necessary? Well, here are some of the uses. It's used in lasers for one, which automatically makes it amazing. It's used in lasers for medicine, medical treatment, surgeries, that kind of thing. It's also used for X-rays, not only in like hospitals but also in dentist's office. Dentists use thulium. It's also used to detect counterfeit money. If you see this blue stripe here, let me zoom in on that. This blue stripe here on this euro note, yeah, that's on that euro note. There's actually a thulium ion, Tm+3, and what happens when you shine a UV light on that is it glows blue, and that's an easy way to detect if money is actually counterfeit or not, which makes it very worthwhile. So after all those uses, there's just a few more random facts to cover about thulium, so I'm just going to type those out while you guys listen to some music. So here you go.
Slowly and surely, they drew their plans against us. Keep this frequency clear. Enjoy this trip. The sound ceased. Suddenly the desolation, the solitude became unendurable. While that voice sounded, London had still seemed alive. Now suddenly there was a change. The desolation, the solitude became unendurable.
Alright, so there are all our random facts. You saw me typing them. For some reason it messed it up, but no matter. That's all we have about thulium. Thank you so much for watching the video. Check out quentacademy.org for videos on all of the following. You know, we have some very interesting topics here. You know, chemistry, physics, rocket science. You guys can look through the rest of them. Much more. Every few seconds video. So thank you for watching. This has been Quentin Lights, and yeah, that's chemistry. That's thulium. Awesome.